Hello, guys.
Everybody can remove your mask. Hello, everyone. It has been a very good afternoon.
Hello, guys.
To have you all here.
Hi, guys.
Okay, now we are all the CITs. I take privilege in wishing our respected principal on his birthday. And with this, I would like to start the session with Shreya. Please
Hello,
go, Shreya.
guys. Hello, guys. A warm good afternoon. I'm Shreya, and we all are here to express our views on new normal, the challenges to face, and also the solutions. While a global pandemic has been looming risk for decades, COVID-19 has become a shock to society, health systems, economies, and government worldwide. In the midst of extraordinary challenges and uncertainty and countless personal tragedies, one thing that is certain, we know that adjusting to change can be challenging, but it may be planned or unplanned, or gradual or sudden. But the change is inevitable and very much a part of being a human being. Over the past few months, we have experienced an unprecedented shift in our way of life due to COVID 19. Pre pandemic, who would not have thought that a small toilet paper could become precious as gold? And now, a trip to a weekly grocery shop seems like an adventure its own. And with most of the country nearing 10 months of sheltering in the same place, and many of us have suddenly been forced to adjust to a new normal, it may be look different, like parents homeschooling the children, families or roommates suddenly isolating in a cramped quarters, and donning a mask when leaving the house and wiping into groceries after a stress-filled visit to the store. Don't you feel, guys? Don't you feel that it is something, not something obviously a major thing changed in our lives? Guys, there's a poll in that. You just vote the poll. Don't you ever feel that wearing mask and using sanitizers regularly makes like a major change in our lives?
I think so, Shreya. I think it's a very major change.
Yes.
I don't think so. My life's been the same forever.
Yes.
Yeah, for legends, it never changes. For legends.
Yeah. Legends are not under this category, man, first of all.
Ultra pro legends. For them, they never change. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, even when society starts up again, there will still be restrictions, and we are facing fundamental shifts to our way of life. So, what does a new normal look like? Social distancing? No, obviously no. The closures of the educational institutions due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 lead to an unexpected impact on the education also. Like online classes are less interactive, and there is an additional burden when we face network issues or technical glitches. And it is so important to know and understand the people you will be interacting or living with the next 3 to 4 years, but you're still sitting in our homes. My God, I never thought of this, but it happened. We can change, right? The experience is fun, but it can get monotonous. Yes, it is not what I had expected life to be, but I'm confident of making the most out of the situation. And I'm very thankful to our teachers for not making this 4 hour classes boring. Our teachers made an effort to help us through the virtual features by providing us with the like online classes, PDF sources, etc. But it would certainly have been great when we would all be share on the class and sharing our views to each other. So, as now India also became completely settled to the new normal, all restrictions are almostly cancelled, and like with a few regulations we have still like sanitation and wearing masks as it is very necessary and compulsory. So I think these are the things I would like to say. And next I would pass on to Srivardhan.
Yeah, guys, we are overwhelming and excited to come to college to meet our fellow students and enjoying it. Very most important is to follow the precautions so that we can enjoy our college lives, which is more better. You don't want to end up the quarantine, right? Okay, from this I will leave the session to Ajay.
Let's just view a few scenarios through which we might go through in our college. Let me just call on Avantika and Darshana to perform a small skit.
Hey, dude. What's up? Who are you, head? What the? Adatale. Mokka podadinga, boss. Okay. Finally, we are meeting, and I'm so happy. Okay, from now on, it's gonna be real fun then.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm excited about the different clubs and facilities of our college, as our faculty told. I hope those are true. And I'm really happy that we are happy and overjoyed and overwhelmed to meet our faculty, our teachers. So what do you think about that? Don't forget that we're restricted though. Enna solringa? I mean, following proper rules laid in the college. Maybe I should think about this. And for telling more about this, I'll pass this session on to Shreya, right?
Yeah, like coming to the regulations and the rules that to follow in our campus, like not only in our campus, but the regulations to follow in our daily life is like physical distancing for at least 6 feet to be followed as far as feasible. Next, cover our face with the mask with fully like this. We should cover our nose and the mouth both. Next, frequent hand washing with soap for at least 40 to 60 seconds, even when hands are not visibly dirty. Use of alcohol-based hand sanitizer can be done whenever feasible. And also, the main thing is respiratory equipment should be quickly followed. Also, strict practice of covering our mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing with a tissue or handkerchief, or else with the flexed elbow, and disposing of used properly. And the next one is self-monitoring of health by all and reporting all any illness at the earliest. Because whenever if your classmate or any fellow mate is suffering with any symptoms like cough or fever, you just don't ignore them that like this, but you just consult or else you just tell to the particular department which is responsible for that. And next, splitting shall be strictly prohibited, and also installation and use of Arogya Setu app shall be advised whenever.
So moving on, we've all been listening to the COVID-19 message, throughout almost a year, it's been our country and the entire world is facing the coronavirus pandemic and so on and so forth. It's almost irritating. So why not make it a little bit fun, okay? So we're going to have a small Damcharas game. You'll be given a poll and you have to answer it within 10 seconds, okay? So Avantika here will be doing the Damcharas. Now, first
Guys,
one.
everyone please involve in the poll and have some fun.
Yeah.
What Avantika, what are you doing?
Very good.
Guys, answer in the poll. I think she's doing
Yeah,
that.
it's going on. It's going pretty good. Everyone is guessing correctly.
Yeah.
Yep.
But only I think like that she's
CITNs are always intelligent, right?
Then
Yep.
what about me?
So, can we end the poll?
Yes, I entered the pool.
Okay. So the answer is social distancing.
Yes.
Obviously. Come on. We're gonna go to the second one. What's it gonna be about? Guys, answer in the poll. Okay. So you'll be given 10 seconds to answer it. Yep. Is it wiping the hands or sanitizing?
Wow.
Come on.
Sanitize.
It's nearly 90% of the results gone good.
Yeah, 83% or 82, it's fluctuating.
Okay, I think we can end the poll, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now,
And the third one.
moving on to the third one. Yep.
Rumba easy, man.
What's the proper way of wearing a mask? Come on, guys.
Wear it to your mouth or mouth and nose.
Everyone is being legendary now.
Yeah. They're acting as ultra pro max legends.
Yeah. Almost there. I think the poll has almost settled down.
Shall I end up the poll?
Yeah. I think maximum students have answered.
Yeah, yes, good.
Okay. So good enough. Yeah. So it is wearing the mask in both mouth and the nose. Okay. So last one, the fourth one. What's it gonna be?
Guys, fill the poll fast.
Should you touch your facial features or should you avoid touching your facial features? Come on.
Yeah, everyone will answer correctly.
Avantika indirectly saying the answer.
Yeah. It's somewhat looking up the question.
He's trying to help you.
He's favoring all.
Yeah.
Okay, shall I end up
Brilliant,
the
fellas.
poll?
Great as ever.
Yeah. So we can end the poll now. So
Yes,
I would like to
actually,
pass the opportunity to Srivardhan. He's going to talk about something interesting for you guys.
So guys, how you guys are really excited. So it's really important to explore and discover, but it's also important to follow the proper rules as been regulations, which is laid by our college, so that we can enjoy without any worries actually. So remember these things, have sanitizers with you, allow you to form a queue and maintain social distancing. As responsible as we are, we can expect others to be so. With this, I'm starting with an analysis so that in this analysis, more than 2,000 companies have found been getting profit up when compared to the last year's quarter, as in September 2020. Even though they have didn't reduce the salary wages and didn't cost cut in any of their products. And in India, we have very high level of economic inequalities. Okay, even before the pandemic. So this is the state being lying. So we can't simply screen up the name COVID as for what are all the things which we haven't done. So here, what's the thing is self-evaluations are being most essential part of life. So what I'm gonna say is why your skill development is being more essential. The pandemic has been an economic shock, but it has been not affected everyone in the same way. Relatively, good economical peoples have a strong intent and they will be easily escaping from the adverse effect and the worst effects which COVID and any other things may produce. So basically, the personalities who hold up a good economy didn't let them down, even it would be COVID-19, 20 Pro, 20 Pro Max, whatever it may be. So because they lay them in a criteria who makes the money. Since you guys have to understand the difference between saving money is different, but making money is different. From the basics of our life, we have been understanding some of the terms which has been so wrongly. Okay, that would means a lot, but what we have understood it as normally. Okay, so think which, when, where are these objects gonna be? What are the things which we save? So these things are going to be exhausted. So they cannot be lended over, or this cannot be once again reproduced. Is money gonna exhaust? So here comes your intended skill, which has been your individual skill, and how you combinedly reproduce it when it comes to in your action. So for better understanding, I will leave you the guys with an super example. Mr. Elon Musk. Nowadays, you guys might have aware of him because nowadays we are becoming more trendier and more familiar with this. So he became the most richest personality in the world, upholding $183 billion. It's been a big pack, right? So think it of, he also dwells in the same world, same provinces, and same pandemic rolls out as in the 2020. So considerably, we must think what about the reason behind this success. So whatever it may be the COVID-19 or 20, this doesn't cause any impact on his progress, right? So what's the reason behind this? Elon have a habit of keeping multiple streams of income. He doesn't fix upon a one target and doesn't runs on it. Okay, even you must aware of his Tesla, right? But he is also behind the projects like SpaceX, OpenAI, and Neuralink. So he's enhancing his economy strongly, which is not entirely depend on one thing, right? So by this, not only COVID. So he can face every crisis strongly because his economy is ready to satisfy what the event is going to be, right? So, and you guys have to be sustained in one thing, right? Because everybody says hard work pays you the best. So how would I say this? You have to think of it, because in our world is, if it's the case, so if it's the case is true, then our world would flourish of happiness, right? Because in our country, I will focus mainly in our country. Each and every sector has their own pros and cons, right? So if you want to sustain in it, you have to give your whole into your complete intentions has to be in the is to progress yourself, right? So this will not be true, because your skills and your definite activities will lead to your progress. And also remember, nothing is more expensive than your missed opportunity. If you want to cope up the opportunity, you have to be skilled enough. Whereas in some cases it would be fatal. Okay, right? That's not wrong in it. That's not. It's we can't say that every time it would be correct. But in most of the cases, your strong economy will equip yourself, will lead to a essential life. Is what you expect to live in. If you need to meet your standards, you have to be skilled enough. So what I'm trying to say is, try to invest in yourself. If you invest in yourself, it will create the best out of you, right? So, and finally, I would like to conclude in one thing. However the complementary crisis it may be, it is risky, it is a challenges. So what will be, keep it apart, but it's entirely accompanied with the behind opportunities, right? Which is behind an opportunity, behind it produces multiple opportunities. So the post-COVID world will only emerge more stronger, sustainable, reliable. So if you wanna effectively migrate yourself to that, you have to take risk. Nothing gonna comes from your comfort zone, right? So your intentions has to be good and develop in yourself. And this has not been planned, but when I come to this session, I would like to say, if someone is denegativating and is negativating, sure you means, guys, please think of it. Do we brush our teeth? Do we take bath months, once a month or a weeks a month? Even though it's cleaning up, even though we are making of ourselves clean, so why we are doing that regularly without any interruptions, because nothing gonna be stand for a while, everything is temporary. So whatever the negativity, whatever the thing which you have going on to be get to give as a impact, so don't leave it, start small and build up larger. So this is what students as we have to do. So nothing, once again I'm repeating, nothing is gonna come from your comfort zone, so let you out of it, and it's now or never. So don't leave any of your things in setting it's screening it behind COVID, right? So whatever it may be, do your best, the best will out of will come. So with this, the skill development part and the future development ends, and I will hand over this to Shreya.
Really amazing speech by you, Shri, and we are really very like inspired by you. And now I would like to say pass it on to Ajay.
So yeah, Srivardhan was highly optimistic about the future. He talked about many things such as negativity and all those things. Why we need to diversify our skills, which is very important. He even quoted the example of Elon Musk. So, guys, what do you think? What do you say? Is being jack of all trades good or bad? Is it good or bad? Come on. I want you guys to answer.
We would like all your messages.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an open question.
Yeah.
We can read your chat.
Come on. I want you guys to say in the chat box, not in the polls, in the chat box. What do you guys think? Is it right to be jack of all trades?
One legend I have asked, what is the purpose of the webinar? It's not about the purpose, man. It's all about what we gonna say and what you gonna listen. It is useful for you or not. See, the purpose
will
is
be created when you are ready to hear.
The purpose is when you listen to us, the content which you are extracting from us, it's been essential. The purpose has not been essential here, right?
Yeah.
initiate
Somebody is
yourself,
asking
man.
us to repeat the question.
Yeah.
So can you please repeat the question?
Yeah, as Shrivadan said, it's being jack of all trades, good or bad. Usually we say jack of all trades. No, it's not useful. It's dumb. You should not be jack of all trades. Is it right to be jack of all trades, or is it wrong to be jack of all trades? What's your opinion? I want your opinion. Come on.
Come on, guys,
Guys,
please open up.
guys, what I actually feel is listening to some other person when other person is speaking, it won't give some. It will give some information. It won't be useful at the
So
time. It will
what
be
is conveys is we are hearing, but we are not listening.
yeah, correct.
Okay,
It's okay. It's okay. We have read your responses, and now I would like to call Ajay and Shreya to enact like a conversation to enhance your skills during COVID, even during COVID. Now let's see.
Hey, hi, man. How are you? How are you doing?
Nothing.
You seem so dull and lazy. What happened? What's wrong with you?
Yeah, it's been
A
so
bit fat.
boring. Like,
Yeah,
I have
yeah.
literally nothing to do. Like even video games are like boring nowadays. I don't have literally anything to do.
Hey, you wasted your time by playing video games, Appa. This is not at all good. What I feel is that's not at all correct.
What were you doing then in this time? What else can you do?
I spend my time in a very valuable time. It's obviously time is very valuable. I spent in it like a precious time as it is very precious. I learn new language like Japanese, and I also practice a few courses like C language and also a few basics in Python also. So what about
Oh
you?
my God, Radapavi. How did you do all this? How, where, when? I want to know. I think Darshana could answer these questions.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
would like to add in something here. We really need to start upskilling ourselves, right? As Shreya is demonstrating now, we really need to really start working on ourselves and start upskilling ourselves, because I am very much sure that there are plenty of online platforms coming up with amazing courses. And to name a few, I would say Udemy, Udacity, Coursera, Khan Academy, Future Learn, and and there are much more. I can just fill up the list. So I've just pointed out a few which are on the top. And not to forget, there are plenty of YouTube videos which are available for free. You can access it for free. And all that you need to pay is your time, your valuable time. Guys, we all got very less time. After this 4 years, we may or may not get time. Some of us may get time to learn a new skill after 4 years, but as we are graduating, it is probably a good time to start our job hunting, so to speak, the so-called job hunting that popularly happens in LinkedIn or Naukri.com these days. So it's better if we start taking few steps. And apart from all of this online learning, I would also like to add that joining clubs aligned to our interest gives us more knowledge on that particular subject. Naturally, we start sharing our knowledge to others, and so they will also share their perspectives, so that we can have a wide range of ideas about the particular subject matter. It will really help us in our growth. And one more thing I would like to say is that we really need to start attending clubs and start participating in hackathons. And CIT really encourages all of this, and not just encourages, it also provides opportunities for our growth. Let us utilize these opportunity we got. And it's very much evident how coronavirus pandemic has been largely disruptive in terms of our economy, especially as far as industry sector is concerned. Many of us, we are getting the news that so many people have lost jobs and so many people have lost their lives. Increasing joblessness among educated youth is a very serious concern. And we being youth, naturally, the responsibilities are going to fall on our shoulders. And we really need to team up and revive it all. So it is essential for us to upskill. And this is the perfect time to start, I would say. And if Ajay would like to add some comments.
Yeah, so actually, this is a very important point. Now, I'd like to talk about the challenges that the industry faces and the things. So, the COVID-19 crisis has affected societies and economies around the globe. We're not the only ones, and has permanently reshaped our world as we see it. As the coronavirus pandemic continues to unfold, it has not subsided yet. And while the fallout while the fallout from the crisis is both amplifying familiar risks and creating new ones. Okay, so the changes at this scale, they create many openings for managing systematic challenges and ways to build it better. So it has been destroyed, but one thing that we can be happy is that we can build it better. So you might just think, I'm just a student. What problems do I have? I'm not able to talk with my friends in a group. I'm not able to touch them. I'm not able to play, and so on and so forth. But apart from this, we're not seeing the bigger problem. We are engineering students. We are not normal students. The industries face many problems due to this crisis. The primary strategic challenge for organizations to deal with reduced demand and the shrinking markets. Okay, so given the livelihood loss, reduction in incomes, and economic depression, the consumer will postpone or become very conservative in buying products. Many of us had long wish lists before the coronavirus pandemic, and after the pandemic, it has shrunken to almost nothing. What do you guys say? I think all of you will agree with this. It has seriously shrunken, our wish list. So we are buying very little. Now, this will imply that there's a decline in revenue for these companies. And if they intend to remain profitable, if these companies intend to remain above the water, they will have to reduce the costs. And reducing the costs, the obvious and the most easy way is laying off workers. So a massive layoff will actually lead to a negative effect, leaving a permanent scar in the minds of employees and about reliability and face value of the company itself. So this is a very negative paradigm. Okay, so what can we do about it? As I said earlier, we are not normal students. We are all engineering students, and we live in an infinitely expanding economy. The GDP keeps increasing. We don't. The GDP doesn't decrease always. It doesn't stay the constant. It's always increasing. We live in an infinitely expanding economy. So, as engineering students, it's in our hands to fix these problems. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Any one of you? We can give your ideas, guys.
Yes, Ajay.
People, you can share your ideas in the chat.
We are looking at the chat box.
We can see your responses.
Yeah. What's that?
Yes, Srivardhan, Sri Vishnu Prakash. Yeah, you are correct. The offline classes are good because they are very interactive. I agree with you. Guys, now I would like to share two things about my experience which I have faced in my lockdown. Obviously, what happened with me is sadly when my board exams completed on March 18th, I thought of going somewhere with my friends and with my family and to make happy days because it's totally exam stuff and all to get to relief. So that I thought of making plans, but exactly from March 22nd. Lockdown. It's totally lockdown. So I was really unable
I'm
to.
sure this happened to all of us, most of us at least.
Yeah. So it was
And now through this webinar, what we wanted to let you know is that you have to fear coming to college. Everything will be under control.
yeah.
Okay.
Because there are many AP students also, so that they also can share their experience through chat box. So is there any AP students so that they can share?
We'll keep talking. Let them share their responses.
Because what happened with me is really lot.
It's like if you guys have any queries, you can ask us. It's been a year since we went to schools or colleges or people, and after February 8th, everything is going to come back to normal. So it's like we don't have to worry about it. You guys don't have to worry about it. Always carry a sanitizer, have a mask, leave distance between you, and don't get crowded. Please don't share your food with others. I know it's going to be tough. The best part about coming to schools and colleges is sharing your food. I know that, but please don't do it because we don't know from where or when it will spread. So we have to be very careful. As careful as we are, we can expect others to be. So don't be crowded in the canteen. Wherever you go, make a queue. Since we are first years, I have been to college only once or twice, and I have never seen college crowded with so many students. So if I'm just imagining the scenario, if it is how it will be, I request you all to maintain the proper guidelines and do it. And now we would like to go on a loop with the guidelines. You want to talk something, Shreya?
Yeah. What the main thing is, whatever I personally want to say is, if any of our classmate or any of our fellow mate is suffering with any of the symptoms like fever, cough, like any stuffiness or throat soreness, you just don't hide yourself. You just yourself go to the particular department, or you just stay, or else if any particular friends of side by side, if you notice, you just stay to the particular department so that they can get the leave, or else something like medical treatments can be measures and everything can be took. So I personally say that, not only personally, it's the responsibility of every student to do that.
Since vaccines have come, you don't have to fear COVID, but you have to be responsible. Fearing and responsible are completely different.
And I think some people have actually answered about this industrial thing, People actually say that we should increase shifts. That's a good idea, but I think the whole thing is the capital loss that we have had, It's almost been like a sudden break for us, The large number of capital loss. So I think that's a problem. And obviously, historically, even during the Great Depression, it's always been an influx of money, The government usually pushes more money inside the market, the banks usually buy out defaulting companies. They render money to them. So I think maybe increasing shifts might be something to consider.
And one more important thing, I know what will happen when we all meet in schools and colleges. Va macha, va tale, va dude, putting your hands on shoulders. Don't do all such stuff. Please maintain your distance and say vanakkam in our language. Okay? Yeah, that's what. So what else? What else you people want to share with our fellow mates, fellow students?
Someone is saying
Someone is saying
fellow friends.
Obviously, our college will provide us with hygiene and very good food. So no need to.
No. They are talking about the fact that I said we cannot share food. One lunch box, 10 hands.
Someone saying food should be correct. So according to for hostel students, it means food and hygiene.
Okay. So what else, people? What else you want to ask? Don't ask us if colleges will reopen on Feb 8th, since we don't know. We are not government. We are just like you students from CIT, first year, basic. This is our first time in live webinar. So please don't ask us all these difficult questions. Okay?
They are unanswerable questions.
Are you guys coming
to college? Sure. We are coming.
Yes, once the college commences, we will be there, right?
Yeah, we cannot wait to see you all there.
Yeah, obviously.
So then,
did you think they will check your temperature?
We
are not aware of that, but
they will check your.
Yes,
people wait. People have sent some messages.
So,
or do you think they will check your temperature before you enter as first line of defense? First line of defense. Seriously.
Yeah, some are asking.
You think they'll check your temperature?
You are normal days without restrictions.
So
normal days without restrictions. We are already on a normal days without restrictions. The only restrictions you have is to wear mask and keep a social distance and have a sanitizer with you. That you should do normally.
Yeah.
See, guys, the only restriction is keep yourself ahead, and you have to just safeguard yourself. If you safeguard yourself, that would be better for everyone, right? It's
On Ultra Legend has asked us, is there any event on Feb 14th?
Feb 14th.
No,
He is
Feb
very much
14th
interested,
college will
right?
be holiday.
Yeah.
Feb 14th will be a government holiday, total lockdown.
Sunday.
Maybe we can conduct something.
Yeah.
She asked us how many of your hostel is here. I expect this. No one is your hostel is here, right?
No.
Am I right?
This one, Shreya is no.
Shreya.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. The only one is hosteler, man.
Say other
Say
rules.
other
Yeah,
rules.
sure, Karthikeyan.
No other rules. You gotta stay behave. You know the rules. You are like you're 18. You will know your rules.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sam.
Like we should behave with our discipline, and we should behave with our discipline. We should follow all the rules. That's it. Not more than that.
And one more thing, those are not rules. Those are your responsibilities. So that you don't get and you don't give others also.
Maybe you can stop doing those after getting a jab.
என்னதான் சொன்னாலும் பசங்களை பார்த்தா எல்லாம் மறந்துடுவோம். அத you shouldn't forget that. For that only we are coming and talking.
bro, COVID வந்துருச்சுனா நம்மளே மறந்துடுவாங்க. பசங்களை மறக்கிறது செகண்டரி.
Yeah, guys.
COVID வந்துச்சுனா உங்களே மறந்துடுவாங்க. உங்க மச்சான் கிட்ட அப்ப கேளுங்க. வாடான்னு ஒரு தடவை கை கொடுங்க. ஒருத்தன் கூட பக்கத்துல வர மாட்டான். Your safety is priority, man. First understand that.
Our own safety is first.
College rules here. College rules will be in the official website, and we have officials here. They'll let you know the college rules. According to us, college rules is behave disciplined, keep your notes on date, complete your EG work particularly. Okay. Put all the drawings in
Not
E3.
only easy, guys, all subject works.
Whenever college is opening, you have to bring your EG note. It's very important.
Awesome.
Very important.
Then it's your luck, bro.
Complete all the work on time and study well.
Gang வரும். Awesome, dude. Super. வந்தாங்கன்னா happy. I am happy for you. அப்படி வந்தாங்கன்னா அப்படி கிடைச்சா அப்படி ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட் கிடைச்சாங்கன்னா it's a biggest asset. அப்படி ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட் கிடைச்சா it's a biggest asset, man. அப்படிப்பட்ட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை கூட விட்டுறாத. It's a biggest asset, right? I am happy for you. இதுல நம்ம சண்டை போடுறதுக்கு எதுவுமே இல்ல. வந்தாங்கன்னா சூப்பர், எக்ஸலென்ட், வாவ், ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக், ஆசம். என்ன வேணா அப்படி சொல்லிட்டே போலாம். I'm remaining cool. Is it like a beast mode?
First term is in online or offline. They're saying it's gonna be in offline with MCQ.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
But I think we can move on to the next session.
For EG. Yeah. For EG, obviously MCQ.
Yeah. For all subjects.
I think it's time, guys. We can move to the next session.
So shall we move to the guidelines?
Yeah.
Do people want to ask any other questions, or can we go to the guidelines? We're giving 10 seconds so that we can wait for your reply.
Yep.
Guys, if the college starts from Feb 8, is everyone like willing to come to the college on Feb 8?
Open the chat box for everyone, guys. If I open the chat box for everyone, no one will talk with me. Everybody will talk with yourself.
Yeah.
That is why we didn't open it.
Guidelines. Yeah, sure, Matan. We'll go.
Okay, then we'll go to the guidelines. Okay?
Yeah.
Shall we?
Yes.
Let's start with Shreya.
Guys, now starting with the guidelines, the first one is we all should maintain a distance of at least 1 meter. This is 1 meter scale. I'm just for measuring purpose. I'm just saying you should maintain at least 1 meter of distance.
Okay. Now, I don't want all the students in the college to take a 1 meter scale and roam around. It will be completely messy, and the college management will kick us out. Okay.
Hey, I don't mean it, yeah.
Then next we'll go to Ajay, please.
So I think it's quite normal, wearing a mask should be a normal part of being around people.
Okay. The appropriate use, storage, cleaning, or disposal of masks are very essential.
Yes.
So guys, as we discussed above, avoid the 3 C's. Space that are closed, crowded, or involving a close contact.
Ashna, you are not audible.
Is it fine now?
Yeah. Go ahead. Repeat your point.
So what I was saying is that it is really important that we regularly and thoroughly clean our hands with an alcohol-based sanitizer and wash our hands with soap and water in order to avoid germs.
Yeah, next coming to, please avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth instantly without washing your hands. Not only without washing your hands, just avoid it.
All right. So then, cover your mouth and nose, or with a bent elbow, or use a tissue or whatever, when you're coughing or sneezing.
Clean and disinfect surfaces frequently, especially those which are regularly touched. For example, your benches.
So finally, please don't believe in misinformations and spread those messages in the social media without any acknowledgements from your side.
The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Wait, don't worry. You just have to self-isolate and contact your doctor.
Okay, now I'd like to call Darshana to give the thank you note.
Yeah, as the clock reads 3:40, we are almost reaching the end of the webinar. And
Everybody can wear your mask now.
Yeah,
that's pretty good.
I would like to express my vote of thanks. See, if you are a first year student, for all of us, it is going to be the first time that we are going to be physically present at the college. Even though we could only connect through online modes, teachers made the school to college transition seamless. And we would like to take a minute to thank all the teachers out here. And we would also like to take a moment to thank all the doctors out there working selflessly for our well-being. And with regards and respect for the doctors, we are adding the color white. All of us are wearing a white color here, paying our respects to them. And further, I would like to thank our management for giving such a wonderful opportunity. My thanks to our chairman, principal, HOD, and my special thanks to Mr. Senthil Kumar sir and Ms. Sophia ma'am for guiding us to make this event successful. And my gratitude to all of my co-hosts, starting from Ajay, Avantika, Shreya, and Srivardhan, because if you wouldn't have coordinated, this wouldn't have been successful. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all of you for participating, voting whenever polls are posted, and responding for the chat. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Now, Darshana, wear your masks too.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute, Shreya.
Yeah.
Darshana will wear her mask. Okay, now everybody wear a mask like
When
us.
you come to the college, we'll see you there.
Okay,
Yes, guys, we are ready.
wear your mask and always have a sanitizer.
Yeah.
Okay, then, guys, it was a great privilege having you here. You have any questions?
We'll meet
We
you
will
guys.
meet you guys in college. Sure, definitely. Definitely, Fayaz.
Sure.
Yes, sure.
I think we are more excited about the college, so we can leave.
Yeah.
Let us.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you everybody for your time.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
everyone.
Meet you all in
Bye.
college. Bye.
Yeah. See you. Bye bye.